To enhance your love life through Stoicism, consider the principle of Amor Fati, which translates to love of fate. This concept encourages acceptance of all life experiences, including the challenges in relationships. By embracing what happens without resistance, you cultivate resilience and emotional stability, essential for nurturing healthy connections. When applying this principle to love, focus on understanding that every relationship has its ups and downs. Instead of fixating on disappointments, practice gratitude for the lessons learned. This mindset shift can lead to deeper emotional intimacy and a more profound appreciation for your partner. Incorporating gemstones can further support this Stoic approach. For instance, rose quartz is known as the stone of love, promoting compassion and emotional healing. Keeping rose quartz close can help you embody the acceptance and love central to Amor Fati. Another powerful gemstone is Lapis Lazuli, which enhances self-awareness and encourages honest communication. This can be invaluable in navigating the complexities of love, allowing you to express your feelings openly and authentically. By combining the Stoic principle of Amor Fati with the supportive energies of these gemstones, you can foster a love life that thrives on acceptance, resilience, and genuine connection. Embracing life's challenges and experiences, both good and bad, can lead to a deeper sense of appreciation for the journey of love with your partner. Practice gratitude, compassion, and honest communication to strengthen your bond and create a relationship built on understanding and acceptance. Love, like fate, can be unpredictable and challenging, but by approaching it with a Stoic mindset and the help of supportive gemstones, you can navigate its ebbs and flows with grace and resilience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more tips on enhancing your love life.